What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw a simple holiday snowman. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two small ovals for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom, and back up towards the top. Now I'm going to go all the way over towards the right side and draw that same sized oval. So we'll line up the top, come down, and then back up. Let's add a small highlight circle along the top of each eye. And it'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now you want to place the carrot nose in between the eyes. So we're going to start on the left side with the outer edge. Starting from the top, curve around, back in towards the bottom. Now from the top, we're going to bend the nose, going out and then down. For the bottom, go out and bend that up. Let's add some lines across the top of the carrot. Starting on the left, curve this around and down. We're going to add two more, working our way over toward the right. Now we're going to move down and draw the mouth shifted over towards the left side. So we're going to start up here, bend this down and then in towards the middle. Let's round out the corners of the mouth, going around and then down, and then on the right, going around and then over towards the left. Let's close off the bottom of the mouth with a curve. Now let's place the tooth in the center of the mouth along the top, come down and up with a half circle. Let's move over towards the left side, curve the tongue, going out and then down. Now let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now we're going to move up and draw the bottom edge of the hat. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to curve this up in the middle, go across, and then down on the right. Let's go back over towards the left side. We're going to curve the head, going around. And I just want to pull this in just underneath the mouth in the center. Go across, round up the head, and pull that up on the right side. Now you want to wrap the hat brim in behind the head. From the top left corner, step down, go out, round up the side, pull this in towards the center, and go all the way across towards the right, and then bend that in. From the side of the hat brim, draw two short lines going up, and we'll trace this curve going across from left to right. Now let's draw the side of the hat. We're going to start on the left side, curve this up and then out, go all the way over towards the right, going up and then out. Connect the top with a curve going up towards the top of the hat, and we'll bend that back down. Let's add the top edge of the band. Starting on the left, curve this up and then down. Now I'm going to place some holly on the right side. Let's start from the base of the hat, start with a curve going up and then out. Now from the top, I'm just going to bend this out and up on the left and right side. Let's add another set of curves, coming down towards that center line, then back out. And we'll pull this in and then down toward that center line. Now let's move down and draw on the scarf. We're going to start in the center of the head in the middle, bend this out towards the right, and then down. Angle this up and out. Now you want to follow that same curve, going up and in underneath the head. Now let's draw the side of the scarf. We're going to start on the left side of the head, bend this down, just tuck that in. Let's line this up on the right, come down and in. Now from this point, we're going to step up, draw a straight line going out towards the left, go straight up underneath. Now I want to add some stripes to the scarf. From this bottom line, step up, draw this 2 more times. And we'll add some vertical stripes across the scarf, starting in the center. Just going to bend this out towards the left and back in. Move over and draw that again. Let's add one curve going out towards the right. And add one more line along the top of the scarf along the back. Let's move out to the side and draw on the body. We start on the left, curve the body going out, come down. I'm just going to bend that in along the bottom, go over towards the right, go in the opposite direction, come down, and then bend that in. And then we'll add a puddle of snow along the bottom, starting over on the left, bend this out, and come in, add a curve in the center, going down and up, bend this out towards the right, and just tuck that in underneath the body. Now we're going to add one button in the center of the body with a circle, and we'll fill that in black. Now let's move out to the side and draw on the arms. Let's start on the left, bend the arm going out, and then up. Now you want to add 3 fingers on either side, so we're going to start with the first one aiming towards the head. So come in, round out the finger, and then go back out. Let's add the second finger pointing up and out. Pull that back in. And then the third finger, we're going to go straight out towards the side, and then back in towards the wrist. Let's follow that curve, coming back in towards the body. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw our holiday snowman. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.